artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we are drawing a capybara. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a capybara. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. We're gonna start our character by doing the nose first, and I'm gonna start doing a upside down letter B, and the top is gonna be rounded, okay? Now we're gonna do the side of it, and we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna start curving, and I'm gonna stop before I get to the middle. We're gonna do the same on the other side. We're going down, curve, and stop. And I want to leave a space open for the straw and the mouth. We're gonna draw 1 and 2 U shapes, and I'm passing my marker twice just to make it a little bit thicker. And then we're gonna draw the straw by doing 2 lines that go down, and we're gonna cross here with a curve. Now once we have the straw, we can close now with these lines here connecting with these 2 lines. We're doing here 2 little oval shapes for nostrils, just like this. And now I'm gonna continue with the eyes. We're gonna do 2 big oval shapes. Now I know the capybaras, usually they are drawn by just 2 long and small eyes, but I wanna do my character with big bright eyes. So I'm gonna do 2 oval shapes. And we're gonna draw the highlight by doing 1 circle that is a little bit big and 1 small circle on the bottom. And this side the same. We're gonna do big circle on the top and a small circle on the bottom. And now we're gonna fill this with black around it. Next, I'm gonna draw the head. We're gonna do a curve that goes around the eyes, and I'm leaving a little bit of a space between the eyes. And now I'm gonna do here the cheeks by doing a curve and a curve on the other side. Now I want to go back a little bit to the mouth, and I'm just gonna extend the line. I'm gonna go up a little. Here in the center, I'm gonna do a line that goes up. And now it looks a little bit more like he's actually drinking from the straw. Okay, good. The last thing we're gonna do here is the ears, and I'm just gonna do 2 upside down letter U's in each side of the head. Now we're gonna add a little bit of fur on his back. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 U shapes, and on the other side the same. 1, 2, and 3. Now on the left side, I'm gonna go doing a curve line, and we're gonna draw 3 more curves. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3, and I'm pointing my curves down a little bit. Now before I continue with this side, let's draw the cup here. So I'm gonna turn my paper a little because I want to do an oval shape that goes around the straw that we just draw here, just like that. And we're gonna do 2 short lines. And now I want to close with a curve as well from side to side. Next, I want to extend these lines just a little. These are going to be really short. Now we're going to draw the hands. We're going to do a line, and then we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 U shapes. Let's do the same on the other side. We go in, 1, 2, 3, and we get out. Next, I'm imagining this line goes in behind the hand and then go down. This one the same. And we're gonna close here with a curve. Okay. Now I'm gonna trace a line that goes here a little curvy, kind of like in the middle. So that's gonna be where the liquid starts. And now we're gonna draw the boba pearls here. And I'm just gonna do circles and make sure that the circles are kind of like the same size. You can put as many as you want on your picture. Now we can close the other side by doing a line that comes down here I'm gonna come around and connect with the cup. I'm gonna draw down here his little feet, and I'm just gonna do 3 U shapes that go together just like this. On the other side, I'm gonna draw a little bit more of a leg. I'm gonna start with a short line here, and after the short line I'm gonna curve up. Now here I'm gonna do a curve, and I'm gonna connect with the fur, and I want to draw the exact same thing with the leg, with the feet here, with 3 U shapes. And there, that's it. We finished this capybara that is super happy here having a drink. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the capybara turned out with the colors. I really like these characters. I think they are super cute. I also add a couple of hearts here, but you can use your imagination to change this picture. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!